Hey guys, I'm Hannes, the CMO of SOLDR. I'm the guy in the Kickstarter video who apparently does not know how to solder, but we're not going to talk about that today. Today we're going to talk about some updates to our pre-production kit.
Okay, so first up we have the new locking mechanism, and this helps the kit stay shut and also helps in the drop tests. The solder and copper braid spool has not changed much. It's still a smart design that fits in your hand, and it holds about 20 grams of solder wire and 1.5 meters of soldering braid. Our helping hands have 3 magnets. So you can position it upright or on the back side facing up. You can also use them on the module side of the kit, wherever it works best. This is a solder brush. It replaces the old brass woolen sponge, as we found it simply works better. Our wire stripper is designed with 2 motions. It goes down and then it goes out, for quick, clean stripping across a wide range of cable sizes. The wire cutter cuts wires, and it does it very well. And it also proudly wears the SOLDR logo. This tool holder now keeps all your small, sharp and precise tools all in one place. The flux syringe has a really good design that's easy to access, there's no mess, and it's easily refillable. The smartphone microscope folds out neatly and fits most phones, even the ones with cameras in the middle. The fan and light has 2 buttons, one for each function, so you get exactly what you need. And it tilts up and down, and you can of course place it wherever you want. The USB-C cable spool can be used inside the kit, or you can clip it outside of the kit to connect it to power. It rolls out and winds up with ease. This is the SOLDR A11 soldering iron. It's the winner of our tests, and now in a SOLDR version. It heats up super fast. And it comes with an improved magnetic holder and an extra module for other soldering irons. The wire cutter holder now also hides screwdriver bits. These bits you can use to assemble the whole kit and will work for every screw. The holder also works as a handle to assemble your kit. The multimeter holder will soon include cable pins, so you can easily wind up the cables and secure the probes. This is of course our beautiful SOLDR carrying bag with 2 roomy pockets for extra stuff, plus molle straps on the outside for attachments. Thank you everyone for watching. We hope you're as excited as we are to get this kit into your hands soon. If you have any questions about further updates you want, please leave a comment to this update. Until the next update, we will hustle hard and we hope you all take care of each other. See you soon!